and welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome! Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much, and I'm so happy that you guys stopped by to spend some time with me today, because I am decorating my fall tree. Yay! I'm so excited, guys, to show you all how I've decorated my fall tree. Maybe it's been almost a month ago now. I did do a pre-fall look where I just put the tree up, but I left it undecorated, and it is absolutely gorgeous all by itself. It is the 7-foot flocked Prince King of Christmas tree. You guys can see a little bit of it here right behind me. And so it was beautiful without any decorations, but as you can see in your little sneak peek there, it is absolutely gorgeous decorated. Yes. So if you guys want to see me decorate this tree, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so here are all of the items that we will be using to decorate our fall tree. And this is the 7-foot Prince flocked tree by King of Christmas. I will have the details to this tree in my description box down below if you guys are interested in getting one for yourself. And there will also be a discount code there as well. So I have a basket full of florals and other goodies, some berries and floral picks. Most of these are from the Dollar Tree. The berries are these hydrangeas, which is a beautiful color. Those are from the Dollar Tree. These little sweet berries are from the Dollar Tree. These cattails, pretty much everything in this basket are from the Dollar Tree. And over here I have some more really pretty florals picks that are a bit larger, and these are from Walmart. And you can see they're a little bit more fancy with all the glitter and sparkle. So, and then there are some pumpkin ones in here as well. These are from Hobby Lobby, these with the pumpkins on them. So I have several of those and lots of these picks in there. I also have some pumpkins that I got from Ross. And I may or may not be using these in the tree, guys, but I wanted to show you that they had this bag of pumpkins. It's like a vase filler from Ross for $7.99. So that's a really good deal. I also have these little pip berries, this little pip berry garland from the Dollar Tree. I will use this as a finishing touch. I have these burlap leaves from the Dollar Tree. I may or may not use them, but I have some just in case. And I have ribbons here. These four are from the Dollar Tree, which these are from the Dollar Tree this year, and I thought they were so very pretty. These plaid ones are from last year. I may or may not use those plaid ones, I'm not sure, but I just recently picked this ribbon up from Walmart, and it is absolutely gorgeous. They only had 4, so I only got 4, but $2.34 for a 9-foot of ribbon. And it's got these beautiful pumpkins on it and these gourds. I just thought it was gorgeous. I love this ribbon, guys. So I probably will be on the hunt for more so that I can add this ribbon throughout my decor. But so these 4 are for the tree here. And of course, I showed you guys in my Hobby Lobby haul, I picked up several of these bead garlands. They were $8.99, and of course it's 40% off. So I think I have 6 of those. And I have this little wicker pumpkin that I did get from Walmart a couple of years ago. I may be using this as my topper. I'm not sure just yet, but that's why I have it here. Okay, so that's what we have to work with. So let's get to decorating. guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That helps me out tremendously. Also, leave me comments down below to let me know what you think about my fall tree this year. It is kind of neutral and also got the pops of orange, so fall. So you guys know I'm doing orange and white this year for my fall colors, and I think this is so gorgeous. Also, if you guys want information regarding this beautiful flocked tree by King of Christmas, check my description box down below. I will have the details there and a discount code. You don't want to miss out on that. Now's the perfect time to get your tree so you'll be all ready for fall if you want to, but most definitely for Christmas. Alrighty guys, again, if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and join my YouTube family. We are on a mission to reach 25,000 subscribers, and we are well on our way. So I hope that you will join me in this effort. And if you love all things home decor and a little bit more, then you're in the right place. Alrighty guys, and for my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.